Hey, how's it going? My name is Isidro Perez. I am the founder of Topia. So today I'd like to demo what we have so far and a little bit about the problem that we're solving. What Topia does is the first all-encompassing job searching platform, and it takes job search and takes it beyond, and it allows you to also find a home based on the job and things to do, all based on your lifestyle preferences. So I hope you guys enjoy the demo, and I'll talk a little bit about the problem that we're solving. Thank you. Talking about the problem that we're trying to solve. So traditionally, how we've applied for jobs is we go on Indeed and we search what we're looking for. Say I'm looking for a software engineering role, and we type in the city that we think we might like. So, for example, I think there's a lot of software engineers in San Francisco, so I'll go to San Francisco and I find out there's this Google posting for a job at Yelp. That sounds interesting. Now, what do I go from here? I mean, I can just apply for it out of the blue. Just I don't really know anything about Yelp. I don't know anything about San Francisco. I don't know how much this makes. I don't know anything really. So where do I go next? Well, I have all these tabs open to solve this one task, which is finding out, am I going to be happy here, basically. So what I'll do, this is my process. I'll go on YouTube. I'll look at some videos on Yelp, see how the culture is, see what's going on there. So go on Glassdoor, look at some salaries, interviews, some reviews about the company, and then I got to find somewhere to live. So I'll go on Zillow and I'll look at a place that I can afford. Probably not this one. So that's my next step. And then I'll go on Google Maps and just kind of explore a little bit of San Francisco, see the geography, the layouts, what's there to do. Yeah, and then we'll go on what's there to do exactly. So based on my lifestyle, I like hiking, so I'll look like something like Yosemite is really interesting to me, so that would resonate with me. And then just simple facts about the city. What's the population? Just simple things like that. Crime rate, stuff that everyone needs to know. And just little tidbits and facts about the city. So right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so 8 or so tabs open right now just to solve one task. So what Topia tries to do is combine all of these tasks, these separate tasks, into one application. So I'd like to demo what we have so far. So now we have a demo that we'd like to show. This is our iOS application. Really, Topia is really going to be a mobile application. So this right now what we have is on both on Android and iOS. This is super early beta, not all the features implemented, but you can get the picture of what's going on. So right here's the landing page. We create an account. We're just going to go real slow. We're just going to go through here and skip all the steps, but just so you can get the flow of the application. So right here, after you create an account, it'll kind of give you a little tutorial about what Topia is all about. Our goal really in the end is to find you the right city. So based on your preferences, which we'll get to after this tutorial, we're going to suggest everything for you. And then we can also search. So we're going to search for a job, we're going to search for housing, things to do, and you can save it all into one, what we call a life card. And this life card will hold basically a life. It'll hold a job, a house, and things to do, all based on your salary. And you can also invite people to this life card. So say I want to invite my wife. If I invite my wife to that life card, she can add her job. And then that will expand our horizons. Our salary will go up, and the amount of housing opportunity goes up, and our matching gets a little bit better too as well. The more preferences you put in, the more people you invite. Okay, yeah, so this is exactly it. We want to share our life cards with people. Okay, so right here, after we're done, we signed up, we go to our preferences. So this is all pretty much filled in right now. I want a job, I want a software engineer job. Housing, 3-bed, 2-bath, that's what I'm looking for. Notice how we don't put salary, because the housing is really going to be based off the job. So depending on how much the job pays, that's the housing that we show. And then also lifestyles. I like roller coasters, dodgeball, hiking, and so on and so forth. So we'll suggest cities for that. Then if we go to the home page, we can see right off the bat we have jobs that I may like. Here's a job, Google, Seattle software engineer. Homes I like. Here's a 2-bed, 3-bath home in Phoenix that looks good. I like, Six Flags in LA, great. And we also have matching. So go here, overall matches. These are overall city matches. Austin looks like this is the best city for me based on my preferences. Career-wise, San Francisco, #1. Great, because there's the most software engineering jobs in San Francisco and Seattle, New York, big tech cities. But on the other flip side of it, Phoenix is the best for housing because of cost of living. San Francisco is definitely going to be lower on that, so that's kind of a trade-off that you need to know before you move. And then lifestyle, things to do. For me, I guess it looks like San Diego's the number one. Okay, so let's go on a typical search. So if we go to a search, we can go anywhere. So let's go to San Francisco. So we'll go to San Francisco, and we're going to search for jobs based on our preferences. Again, we're looking for software engineer roles. So right here, we see Yelp. And if we click into Yelp, we will see the salary. So this one's for a UX engineer at Yelp, entry level, 95K. Okay, from here, we don't have this feature in place yet, but from here you would click on the nearby homes that are within a certain range that you're comfortable with, and that'll be for all of the homes you can afford with this salary. And then from there it'll show you all the things to do near that house or near that job that you're interested in, and we'll be able to save these. And if you save them into these cards, and we can share these cards, edit them, and so forth. So we think that this really is the platform that we would want to use when looking for a job, and we hope that other people feel the same way. So thank you for watching our demo, and we hope to gain interest and keep building this on and show as many people as we can. Thank you.